Oh god, it's the end. It's the end.
Oh my god. On your phone, it looks like there's none.
It's the end. It looks like a plague of locusts or something. It's the end. It's the end. Oh, yeah, I gotta close the door.
Where are they all going?
They're all going to the north. It's the end walking.
What are we going to watch again?
Rogue One.
Have you seen the Assassin's Creed yet?
No, I want to see it. It looks lit. The trailer looks
it
lit. You seen it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna slap you.
I saw it like when the day came out.
We saw Sing the day it came out. I was like,
Yeah, that's from my brother. My brother saw Sing. I was like, fine, I'll go watch Assassin's Creed because I don't want to watch Sing.
I know. I was like, I could go in there by myself. Oh god. They're all on the building. This building is gonna kill us. Beware, janitors. You have to clean up tons of crap now. Beware.
Is this the one with that train?
Yeah.
When we saw the Amazing Spider-Man?
No, this is the one that used to be a train. This station right here used to be a train area. A train stop. We're gonna die, aren't we?
Watch them all bomb you.
I know. That's why it's the end.
I hate it whenever that happens. Like, there's always like that one person that gets always attacked.
I
That
know.
one person who's watching.
Ooh, some friend at my school, he got crapped on by the bird. We were just sitting.
I got pooped on.
See?
Yeah. I hope I didn't get pooped on. I didn't even feel it. I'm telling you, they poop on you. Can you give me a leaf, Maddox?
There's birds.
Give me another leaf, please.
Fucking you go. I'm gonna post this on YouTube. There's birds everywhere. It's the end. I found their home. It's ugly.
There's no birds above there.
We're gonna die tonight.
We can at least make it to the weekend.
Oh god! Oh god! Get up! They're all oh, I think one grabbed in my eye. No. Maybe one just peed. The whole time we're walking, there's a swarm over us.
Yeah. Oh, you got pooped on you? See, I told Alex to record it. That's awesome.
At first, we were just going in circles like a tornado. It's the end of us.
Yeah, you saw the birds.
I know, we're all gonna die. We're all gonna die from them. Why didn't he record it? Posting this on YouTube.
Notice you're really short.
These birds are gonna kill us. These birds are gonna kill us. The birds are gonna kill us. I know, they're flying in tornado shape. They're going into a whirlwind.
The zombies are coming.